Okay. You want me to back it over a little bit? Just will take this chain back so I'll put it on the platform and start the thing.
What if you need it again?
We'll go get it. Better not need it again.
Well, it is the wrong color of green, but I won't say no more.
There's too much power is what it was. Don't like them John Deere. They
Got a rope?
Hello everyone, this is Tracy Banner of Banter's Art and Force. I just happened to be in the neighborhood of Wabash, Indiana, and these gentlemen, neighbors, friends, and antique members had gotten together to do some plowing. It's something you don't see every day, this older equipment, but they have taken very good care of it, and it's running good. You'll see several tractors. I wish there was a blue one though, and maybe an orange one. But the equipment is running really good. There's several tractors in here to see. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe if you haven't. I'm not sure what model John Deere this is, but I think it's an A wide front end. John Deere moldboard plow that was pulling by the drawbar had a trip lever that you would pull on it with the rope, and it would activate off of that big wheel that you see, and a cam would pick the plow up when you got to the end of the row, and when you was getting ready to plow, you would trip it again and it would drop it back down into the furrow. There was another side to the field that had some little more modern tractors. I would say these are from the 70s and the early to mid 80s. And the plow is picked up by 3-point hitch or semi-mount off of the hydraulic arms. this John Deere plow is definitely a land plow. There's a wheel down there in the furrow in front of the plow, and that's his guide to know the distance he needs to be driving up against the furrow. This plow requires and relies on hydraulics to lift it up and down the front and the back. I want to thank everyone that was involved in driving these tractors for letting me video them, and I did enjoy having the chance to watch their equipment being used the way it was built to do.